dey okay.
I know why I dey ask o.
Make una ask una question.
Okay, sir. Sir, I wan ask you one very simple question.
I dey hear.
You know wetin you come do for Chelsea?
I no understand.
Chelsea fans don dey close mouth since because you dey represent for big matches. But after Wednesday game against Man United, e be like say you no sabi wetin you dey do.
Oh my God.
First of all, me and you no be mates. No dey talk to me like say na you give me job. Secondly, Chelsea fans suppose understand say good things dey take time.
E dey do me like say wetin you talk now na just excuse to play rubbish this season.
It's like something dey worry you for head. Next person.
I never finish, sir. Sir, Jackson do you jazz?
Wetin dey worry dis guy? You wan comot for here?
Some Chelsea fans no understand why they play am when Broja dey bench.
Dem no go understand. I no really get choice.
Na wetin person wey dem jazz dey talk o.
Oya, e be like say your time for here don finish. Next person.
No worry, your time for Chelsea go soon finish.
See me see this guy o. Dey go like that. Mumu.
Oga Boche, I greet you, sir. I greet you very well, sir.
I greet you too. Talk wetin you wan talk.
Before you come Chelsea, dem be know you as coach wey dey improve young talent. Since you come, the players no resemble something wey dey improve o. Abi dem get talent at all?
My brother, I no go lie you. Some of them no get talent at all. The other ones, the talent dey hidden. I dey do my best to. Wait first, make I answer this call. Hello, Ateta, how far?
Now me suppose to ask you how far. How body now?
Abeg, I dey in the middle of something now. Maybe another time.
Wait first. You get something where you talk for our last meeting. Abeg, you fit remind me again.
Abeg, I no dey ready for this kind talk. I dey very busy.
Wait nah. Where you dey go? Make I remind you. Oh yeah, since your brain don't knock. You talk say.
Idiot, na your brain don knock. Abeg, I no dey in the mood for this thing again. I don go.
Senior man, come back here. I never finish. Senior man. Senior man. Na thunder go fire this man.
Oga Moyo and Oga Sari, una welcome.
Thank you, Kobala.
Kubala.
Today matter na serious discussion about wetin happen for midweek.
Kubala, abeg, calm down first. Sorry, how far na? Wetin dey sup?
I dey okay.
You sure? Because the position where you dey for table no dey healthy at all. I feel like say you need help.
Mind your business or no go start trouble where you no get power.
I say make I check up on you nah. I know say you suppose dey look up to me, but from where you dey, I no sure say you fit even see me. I dey worried.
So because of only 4 points, you wan carry me catch close?
Abeg o, I no fit be that kind person. I no dey catch cruise with the less fortunate.
Na me be less fortunate. No problem. Kobala, start your something. I go do your back.
For midweek, we witnessed Arsenal late winner against Luton, Man City defeat to Aston Villa, and Chelsea defeat to Manchester United. Oga Sari, make I start with the Arsenal matter. This their charge to the title. You feel say e dey sustainable?
Arsenal before na just stew wey sweet, get plenty meat inside. But as dem buy one bag of rice this season, things don dey change. That rice fit supply them with just enough carbohydrates to last them this season.
Oga Mourinho, Man City surprised us with defeat against Aston Villa. You feel say with this their current form, dem fit still carry title?
Wetin dey worry Man City now na the lack of De Bruyne. But to worsen the situation, Rodri come dey miss matches due to injury and suspensions. Na those games wey two of them no dey, dem dey really feel am.
Man U don succeed where other big clubs fail. Oga Sari, wetin you get to talk about that match?
But I no know say injury dey affect Guardiola o.
Oh
I think say na him dey decide the games wey him go lose and the ones wey him go win.
Dey there na. The people why dey pity now sef na im players. Dem go dey receive some kind unknown lethal punishment. Things like the shark attack or the crocodile tumble. Maybe even the tarantula volcanic hang.
If I dey talk say Chelsea buy flood stars, dem go think say I dey joke. Shebi Jackson and Mudlik don dey shine for their opponents, especially Jackson. The guy that carry Chelsea do moonwalk. By the time Poche go realize, if he don moonwalk reach relegation.